Ducati. You hear the name Ducati, you immediately imagine MotoGP, you imagine guys going sideways, you imagine ridiculous speeds, you imagine sex appeal on two wheels, you imagine a lot of things, because why? Ducati is a very powerful name in the motorbike industry. But now, for Malaysia, for the first time ever, Ducati is giving you a 3-year factory warranty on all bikes sold, including the Scrambler version of the Ducati, from March 1st, 2024. Now, this is a very special thing because why? Before it was 2-year factory warranty. I know some of you are going to say, hey, how come only 2 years? Well, most of the other manufacturers also give you 2 years. But Ducati has said, okay, we're going to stretch it out for the Malaysians. We're going to give you 3-year factory warranty, which means peace of mind motoring, peace of mind biking for 3 years. So you'll be asking the question, is there any clauses? Is there any, hidden, things that will hold you back from claiming your warranty? No, unlimited mileage. So if you're riding your Ducati, which you buy from the 1st of March 2024, it must be from the 1st of March 2024. If you're riding your Ducati every day, high mileage, doesn't matter because unlimited mileage for the 3 years. And on top of that, when you do a claim, you're getting genuine Ducati parts. You're not getting something from the aftermarket industry. You're getting genuine Ducati parts. So you know that having this bike in your possession for 3 years, trouble-free, absolutely trouble-free. So think about it. So the next question you're going to ask is, now, if you buy this bike from March 1st, 2024, and you use it, but maybe after 2 years, you say, hey, I like my Monster, but I want to upgrade to another Ducati, maybe a Scrambler, maybe a Panigale, and you think, okay, I'm going to sell the bike. Will the new owner enjoy this factory warranty? Yes, because the warranty is tagged to the chassis number. So once it's tagged to the chassis number, the next owner, or even another owner, as long as within the 3 years, gets the full factory warranty and the original Ducati parts when needed. So some of you will also ask this question. I'm just playing safe here because I know some of you will ask this question. Say now I buy a brand new Ducati from the 1st of March. One of the models could be the Monster, could be the Panigale, could be the Desert, could be the Scrambler, and then you say, maybe I don't want the factory warranty. Can I get a cheaper price? No, because the factory wants you to enjoy your Ducati, make sure you put in a lot of kilometers on it, and not have to worry about it for 3 years. So you can't get a discount if you take out the warranty. You have to buy it with the warranty, and this is a factory warranty. I repeat myself, factory warranty with original Ducati parts whenever anything goes wrong, if it goes wrong. But it's a Ducati. It comes from Bologna, Italy. They've been doing race bikes. They build race bikes. They build MotoGP winning bikes. They just take that technology and they let you enjoy it on the road. So it's already developed, built, engineered for extreme conditions, which I think most of you will not actually put a Ducati through, but you can. So another question you'll be asking is, now, if I bought a Ducati before March 1st, 2024, can I get this warranty program? Sadly, no. You have to get it on a new Ducati. So if you're an older Ducati owner and you come in and say, hey, I want a warranty, I want a 3-year warranty, even better, sell your Ducati, get a new one. Make life easier, okay? So how does this warranty, this new warranty program, assist with the Ducati ownership? Now, I'll tell you this. When you have a bike like this, and you have a 3-year warranty program, immediately your resale value goes up. And if your resale value goes up, it just means that you get better value long term. So, if you want to buy a brand new Ducati, and you know that you want to enjoy the 3-year factory warranty, 3-year parts availability, and easy ownership, very simple. You need to visit a Ducati showroom. Where are the showrooms? Kuala Lumpur, PJ, and PJ, you know where it is, right along the Federal Highway, the nice one. Penang, JB, and Sungai Buloh. Locations are there. You can go online. You just Google Ducati Malaysia. All the locations come out, the phone numbers will come out. Visit them. I would suggest visit PJ because why? I know the salespeople there. They'll give you a slightly better deal.